Hello, I am looking for some new books to read. Can you recommend something interesting? Hi, of course, I would be happy to help. What kind of books are you interested in? Are you looking for fiction, non fiction, or perhaps something in between? I usually enjoy historical fiction, but I am open to exploring different genres. I just finished reading a mystery novel and loved it. So I'm thinking of something along those lines too. In that case, I have a couple of suggestions. If you enjoyed mystery, you might like The Girl on the Train by Paula Hawkins. It's a psychological thriller that keeps you guessing until the end. For historical fiction, The Nightingale by Kristen Hanna is an excellent choice. It is set during World War II and tells the story of two sisters in Nazi occupied France. Both of those sound intriguing. I have heard about The Girl on the Train but haven't read it yet. I think I will start with that one. It's a good choice. The suspense is well crafted and the characters are very compelling. Would you like to check it out now? Yes, I would love to. By the way, could you remind me of the library's rules on borrowing books? I want to make sure I am following everything correctly. Certainly. You can borrow up to 5 books at a time, and each book can be borrowed for 3 weeks. If you need more time, you can renew them for an additional 3 weeks, provided no one else has placed a hold on them. Just make sure to return the books on time to avoid any late fees. That is clear, thank you. And what is the process for renewing the books? Can I do it online or do I need to come back to the library? You can renew your books online through our library portal, or you can call us if you prefer. We also send out email reminders a few days before the due date, so you won't forget. That is really convenient. I will definitely make use of the online portal. I am glad to hear that. We have tried to make it as user friendly as possible. Do you need any help finding other books, or is there anything else I can assist you with? I think I'm good for now. But I was wondering if you could suggest a good non fiction book for when I finish these? Something inspiring or motivational? Sure, I would recommend Becoming by Michelle Obama. It's an inspiring memoir that offers a deep look into her life, her struggles, and her triumphs. Another great choice is The Power of Habit by Charles Duhigg, which explores how habits shapes our lives and how we can change them. I have heard so many good things about Becoming. I will definitely add it to my list. And The Power of Habit sounds like something I would find really useful. Thanks for the recommendations. Let's get your book checked out. Here you go. Remember, you can renew it if you need more time. Thank you so much. I am excited to start reading. You are welcome. Enjoy your book, and if you ever need more recommendation, don't hesitate to ask. I will definitely do that. Have a great day. You too, Nisha. Libraries are wonderful places to discover new books. Don't hesitate to ask for recommendation and make sure you are familiar with the borrowing rules. Happy reading!